Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Grimace from McDonald's. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Grimace, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another circle for an eye. I'm going to make a little line that kind of goes at a diagonal inside of there. And then I'm going to color in a black dot for the pupil inside each one. Now for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, it's going to go down, and then back up. And we'll put a little line at the edge. I'll make a little smiley face here. And then for the eyebrows, I'm going to make two little curved lines above the eyes. And then I'm going to make another curve right above it. And I'm going to color this in. Now let's work on the head. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up. It's going to go around, and then it's going to come down here. And then right here for the arm, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And I'm going to put a little curve on it. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes out for the thumb. Then I'm going to bring it back up. And then I'm going to make a little line in here for the fingers. Now this arm, we want to make it look like it's almost like he's waving. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring this down. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come back in. And then we'll just make a little line for the fingers. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and in. And then this line is going to go down, and that's going to come in for the body. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down on each side. Make a line that comes in. And then we'll make a line that comes up. And then we'll just draw a little line across. And there you go, there is your drawing of Grimace. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.